No. No, I cannot have this. I can't have I can't have the hiccups. The hiccups. The hiccups. I need to get rid of these hiccups. But who knows? I know who. Excellent, you're awake. Let's do this thing. How to cure... Oh, right there. First option. Yeah, baby. Man, this thing is full of information. Ooh, WikiHow. To do anything. Okay. Method 1 of 5. Curing hiccups by breathing and swallowing. I do that in my breathe. I hope this works. Did it work? No! Method 2 of 5. Drink a glass of water. Easy as water. Like Wikipedia says, a glass of water should do the trick. Pick it up. Dang it. Okay, method 3. Spoonful of peanut butter? I eat spoons like you for dinner. And sometimes lunch. Butter, don't fail me now.
A few moments later.
Method 4. Think about water. Water, 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 water. Final method. Caution. Too dangerously hiccupus. It must mean no more. For sure. And it is all of the above. Da, da, da! Water. Oh, hope it works this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah! One, two, three. Subscribe.